Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to get more coins on the Widgetable app. Now if you want to get more coins on the Widgetable app but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. In Widgetable, coins are the essential for carrying your vital base. It can be used to purchase food, essential and other items. Now while earning coin without spending real money can be challenging, but you may also purchase the coin by real money. So that may be easy for you. So simply open the Widgetable app on a device and make sure that you are logged into your account. So if you are not logged into your account, you won't be able to buy the coin on it. So you just need to tap on the option of more at the very bottom right and click on the option of shop, which is at the very top. So this is the shop page where you will see the option of diamonds, hot deals which are available on the Widgetable app, and also various pets and plants and all of it. So if you want to get the coin, click on the option of coin at the very top, which is next to the diamond like icon, and here you will see the option of 1-to-1 coin. So you just need to scroll it, or you may simply skip this. So from here you may also earn coin free by doing the IQ test, check out the Friday night karaoke podcast, and level image for AI, unlock your mental potential and all of it. So you may simply click on it and click on the option of earn this amount of money, and you just need to follow the on-screen instruction which is given. So it says start the test, complete the test, and you will be able to get this amount of coin. So that's it. That's how you can get coins on the Widgetable app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.